Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know that Deloitte assignment or assessment has already been completed and some few slots are available. Now lots of comment was being asked related to assessment result date, that when we can expect the result. So in this video I will talk about that. Besides that I will also talk little bit about the expected cutoff that could be seen after means all the slots. Okay, so first of all, you are well aware of the test structure, that the verbal ability was there, 30 questions, 13 question 30 minutes, reasoning ability 13 question 12 minutes, quantitative ability 12 questions and 10 minutes, and technical MCQ, which is very important especially for the shortlisting, that is 30 question 30 minutes, and coding is 2 question 25 minutes. Now talking about the one of the very important details, that friends, there will be sectional cutoff, means you have to qualify for all the groups from the verbal ability, regional ability, quantitative ability, technical and coding, which I've already talked in detail in the previous some video. Okay, so first of all let me give you the overview of the result. So according to the previous year, they take around 20 days to release the result. So as you can see that almost means 7 को end लगभग हो ही जाएगा, and so you can expect the result at the end of this month or the first or second week of next month. Next one important things that I want to tell you, that if your assessment went well and you are sure that you have solved all 2 coding questions or 1.5 coding question, then be sure that you will get the interview call. Again I am saying this is completely relative thing. It completely depend on the number of students, requirement of the Deloitte and performance of other students, and the complexity level of the questions. So but there is strong chance that अगर आपका टेस्ट अच्छा गया, सब कुछ सही गया, then there is a chance that you will be eligible for the interview. So I will suggest start preparing for the interview if you think that your test went well. Otherwise अगर दूसरा कंपनी में भी हुआ, then you will be basically ready for that interview. Okay, so currently basically you have to start preparing for the TCS NQT2, and that is the important things I want to tell. Talking about little bit more about the cutoff criteria, so again saying it is relative things, but अगर आपका टेस्ट अराउंड 70 to 75% ओवरऑल सभी ठीक गया, and if you are able to solve at least one coding question completely, again saying you should solve one question completely, and if you have done some test cases of other question, then there is strong chance of getting selected. So main thing that I want to tell you, that you should have clear cut idea of the technical MCQ, which will also play a critical role. Okay, and you should not get much warning or kind of the lag during the exam. That is the important things I want to tell, क्योंकि बहुत लोग का क्या था, बहुत लोग कुछ चीटिंग कर रहे थे and they got the warning and they got rejected directly. So this should not be there. Otherwise अगर आपने सही दिया and just अगर एक दो warning आया, then it will not matter. Okay, अगर warning आया, so that is not the matter. But yeah, if you have caught in the plagiarism, or if you caught in the cheating, or if you have done copy and paste from ChatGPT or Gemini AI or some other AI, then there is strong chance of rejection. So that's the important things I want to tell. And cutoff, so this was the previous cutoff. Now after this the cutoff is little bit updated. So quant and logical, if you have solved 15 plus question, then sure shot that you will be qualified for this sections. And English around 7 questions, technical skills 30 questions were there. So at least 15 plus क्वेश्चन जिन्होंने बनाया है, 20 plus will be in a safest zone, but 15 plus अगर आपने क्वेश्चन बनाया, then you are good to go, and I hope that you will be selected for further round. And coding by minimum 1 question you have to solve completely. Even friend, you should pass all the test cases, because lots of students were commenting that I have not able to pass all test cases, or test cases were not shown. So that doesn't matter. You should pass all the test case for the further round, that will be the interview round. So I will also make a dedicated video on the interviews. Till then just subscribe us and press the bell icon. And if your test doesn't go well, then I will suggest don't waste time and start prepare for the NQT. I have already provided update for related to TCS NQT. So just start preparing and go to the pre-placement material. For that you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram study group. There I am sending the pre-preparation material. If you have any query, feel free to ask your comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and must comment the number of questions you solved and number of coding questions और कितना आपने टेस्ट केस पास किया, so that other student will get idea about that. Hope informative to you. Please support and subscribe us for getting such informative video. And if you want to schedule your mock interview for any upcoming hiring, then you can also fill the Google form. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.